This is the 2013 Brunton Stalker new front suspension on the M-spec Classic R and XL. It's a standard double wishbone setup, except we have an inboard shock mount, and we are using a Coleman Racing steering rack. It's great feel, really nice precision rack. You can have adjustable ratios on it. So now just an overview. You see the shocks are inboard. We've got two different settings for the shock holes and two different settings for the push rod. This is to adjust and change motion ratio onto the shock, which will change the spring rate, effective spring rate, very easily. Also, having the outboard push rod, we can adjust the ride height of the car without changing the shock position. So the goal here is to have as much shock dampening as possible. So it's a big motion ratio increase, over 1-to-1 it starts out at for the inboard shock. Now our A-arms are all mounted on Heims inside and out, and we've got inserts and sleeves and shims, so caster can be adjusted fore and aft with using the shims. And out here we have our camber adjustment. You could even go as far as, with this, we could thread this in and out to adjust kingpin inclination. And we have a bolt-on wheel hub assembly. Now this has an integrated wheel speed sensor, so it can be used for ABS systems or traction control. That's pretty much a good overview of our new suspension on the 2013 Brunton Stalker.